If you want to know how to make a technical analysis on an asset by yourself, then watch the whole video. Today I will show you how to draw support and resistance levels on different time frames. This is one of the basic things that everyone who wants to learn how to make a technical analysis by himself should know. For the purpose of this educational video, I will use TradingView charting platform. But before I start, please put a pause and read our disclaimer for that the information presented in the videos is for educational purposes only, and we are not financial advisors, and the content in our videos is only to help you learn and understand things in crypto world. Everything that you do in crypto is on your own risk. Today we will start with a few basic things of technical analysis of an asset that you should know. One of the important things when watching cryptocurrency prices is to know where there are support and resistance levels. Of course, there are many such levels resulting from a variety of indicators, but today we will pay attention to the most basic ones, those resulting from the opening and closing of a candles on a daily, weekly, monthly and yearly time frame. For today's technical analysis, I will use the tools provided from TradingView platform. But in order to better understand where and how these levels are placed and drawn, you must first learn what an asset candle is. In trading platforms, and not only, usually the movement of the price of an asset is presented in several forms, but the most common is with candles. So, what is a candle in this context? Each candle has a body which consists of a main body and a wick, also known as a shadow. Each candle represents one day's price data for an asset through 4 pieces of information: open price, close price, high price and low price. The color of the central rectangle, called the real body, tells us whether the opening price of the closing price was higher. There are 2 types of candles, bullish and bearish. Each candle has an opening price level and a closing price level, and the uppermost part of the wick is called the high. The peak is the highest price reached for the day, and the lower part is the low, lowest part of a candle. This is the lowest price reached for the day. In bullish candles, the candle opens and closes from bottom to top. And in bearish candles, it opens and closes from top to the bottom. This is how the movement of the price of a given asset is visually formed. Now you know what a candle is, and you'll be able easily to choose how to set daily, weekly, monthly and yearly price levels for an asset. Let's start with the yearly level. First we change the time frame to 12 months, so that we can see the yearly candlesticks of an asset. Here, each candlestick represents the price movement for 1 year. The level is marked there, where there is a correspondence between the closing of one candlestick and the opening of a new one. This is how the annual level of an asset is obtained. Also here on settings, you may choose the color of the text and the color of the line. Also, you can make your own template and name it and save. This principle of drawing levels applies to all time frames: monthly, weekly and daily. You can choose the colors and the names of these lines so that it is convenient to remember for you. It is good to be in different colors to distinguish them. Now I will show you on every time frame how easy to do these lines. And you go on to the upside and to the downside. For example, here you may not mark such line for support and resistance on the chart because the price has passed through it already, right here. If the price does that, this means that we don't need this level anymore because this support and resistance is weaker now, so we can remove it from the chart. So now that we have the main support and resistance levels of a chosen asset, we can start to watch how the price will react when it visits them again. You have to remember that these levels are not enough to make any action, they must be supported by additional confluence. But however, they are a good starting point for all beginners in the crypto world. Thank you for watching this video, hope that the information will be useful to all of you. In the next videos we will take a look at many other indicators that can be used for additional confluence for support and resistance levels of an asset. If you want to learn more, join us on our Discord through Patreon page. Link you can find in the description below the video. Wish you all good day and goodbye.